Hey everyone, it's Carla from the Medicine Hat Public Library. Today I'm here to show you how to make this really cool duct tape bookmark. The design was found in the book called Dazzling Duct Tape Designs by Tamara Boykins. And you only need a couple things to make this craft. Obviously you need some duct tape. You can use one color for the whole thing, or you can use two different colors or prints. You are going to need a ruler and a pair of scissors. And if you want to add little tassels to the top, you are going to need a hole punch and some yarn. So for the first step, you are going to take 2 pieces of 6-inch tape of the same color and stick the sticky sides together. If you need to, you can trim the end. Alright, so you have 6 inches, just like that. And then you are going to take an 8-inch piece of the same color, and you are going to put this piece on top of the sticky side, leaving about 1 inch on each side here. And then you're going to fold over the ends, just like that. So now you have a nice sturdy middle of your bookmark. Now you're going to want to take 2 8-inch pieces of your second color and create a little border around your 6-inch piece. So it looks like that. Okay, and then you're going to take your scissors, and just where it overlaps right here, you're going to take your scissors, make a little snip, and fold it up, leaving this long piece here. So this is just a nice, neat way to fold your corners. So we're going to repeat that on all sides. So now that looks something like that. And then you're going to take these long pieces here, and you're going to take your scissors and snip them on an angle. So then it kind of looks like the top of an envelope. And you're going to repeat that on the other side. So now it looks like this. And then you're just simply going to fold this over, press it down. And there you have the basic bookmark. So if you want to take this a step further, use your little hole punch, punch a hole in the top, and then you can put some yarn through for a tassel. I have just a couple pieces of gray yarn I'm going to use. And I'm just going to put them through like this, making a loop, and then threading the tails through the loop, just like that. And if you want, you can trim the corners onto angles if you like, so it's like this one. This one I'm going to leave as a square. And just like that, you have your own little duct tape bookmark. If you make this craft, make sure you tag the library. And if you want to find more videos like this, check out our YouTube page at MHPublicLibrary. Thanks for joining me. Bye.